Hello guys, today we are going to unbox the Phillips trimmer which I bought from Flipkart at the price of 2100 rupees. This is a beard trimmer from Phillips. It's a brand new trimmer. So let's just unbox it. Here the box of the trimmer, sealed. Go to open. Very nice packaging, and we have the warranty card and all the manuals of the trimmer. Yeah, here is the charger provided with this trimmer. This is the official Phillips charger. Yeah, we have got with this. We have got pouch to carry the trimmer. It is very nice and high quality pouch. We have got with this trimmer. Yeah, and one brush to clean up the trimmer. Yeah. So here is the main product. Yeah. This is the BT3221 trimmer. It is very nice and feels very good in hand. Here we have around 10 range of trimming. You can trim from 1 mm up to 10 mm. And here we have a light indicator for charging, and here we have the charging port here. And this is a special comb available with this trimmer, which keep the hairs upward, moves the hair upwards while we are trimming the hairs, so that we can get a clean and good trimming by this trimmer. This is the comb available with this trimmer. Very good comb. The structure of this comb is very unique. It upholds the hair while trimming, and they get cut easily and very sharply in less time. Here we can see how we can remove this blade of the trimmer. We have to just press it upward, and then we can open this blade as well. So hope guys you like this video, and please subscribe my channel and like this video. It is showing low on battery whenever I am trying to switch it on. 1%.